We got a Doosan 180. And we're putting a dangle saw on it. So the first thing we do is we pick up power. I went off of this solenoid. That's my power. There's my fuse. Just a 5 amp fuse, no bigger. Ground is right there. Then we come into this compartment and we mounted our diode strip and then the shut off to shut the power off. And then on a Doosan, we got to hook into the hammer valve. You can see it's a second one in on that side is the hammer valve, and then we have to have the combining valve on a 180 to get enough flow. So that's the one that's all the way over on this side. It's the very last one. And then on this one, because it has a coupler, I mounted a shut off right there so I can shut off the bucket curl to make it stop curling around. And then that way we don't have any issues of the head running into it or anything like that. So we mount this a couple inches back from the link arm when it's tucked all the way back in. And then these fittings up here are 1-inch code 61 split flange fittings. And then we convert them over to JIC. This hose was 56 inches and we moved them both to this side. And we just put a straight fitting in there. And then on this side, I put a 90 and a 90, and then I run my hose back underneath the cylinder and come back. That was 11 foot. And up here, we just run two 12-foot hoses for the K-string, male, female ends, and then one 8-footer. And we just hooked it right in the tank right there. So in the cab, we mount the joystick on the right side. It takes a 14mm stud and the 04 bushing for the joystick. We put our sticker up there. And this one, you got to take the armrest off and take this out, and there's, I don't know, half a dozen screws to get it out. And then we run it straight down there. And then on a Doosan, we have to hook up the factory joystick. I usually just zip tie it up back in here, and then it doesn't throw any codes or anything. So yeah, it's all relatively easy. They're gonna put the cab protection and everything on this machine this week, so should be good.